Americans are now required to wear face masks while traveling on domestic public transport as part of a national strategy to curb the spread of COVID-19. The mask-wearing rule, which went into effect this Tuesday, makes refusal to wear a mask a violation of federal law. Issued by CDC, the rule applies to passengers on airplanes, trains, subways, buses, taxis, and rideshares, and it also extends to waiting areas such as airports, train platforms, and subway stations. The mandate builds on an order announced by President Joe Biden, who on his first day in office unveiled a national strategy in order to change the course of the COVID crisis in the country, which is the worst hit in the world by the pandemic. According to a recent study, increasing mask wearing across the U.S. by just 10% would significantly curb the transmission of the coronavirus. As of now, the United States has recorded more than 26 million COVID-19 cases and over 450,000 related deaths, according to Johns Hopkins University. Xinhua correspondents reporting from Washington, D.C.